Hi friends, today I will tell you one very ancient and yet very powerful method of meditation. By doing this meditation, we can cross over all the anxieties of the mind or the depression. See, these things we have to face in this world because this world is a design like that. In the scriptures it is said that this world is a place of misery. So how can there not be misery? And especially misery in the form of tension, anxiety, depression. And why do these things happen? They happen for the reason we sometimes may not know. But whether we know or don't know, everyone has to face this. So now what are the ways to overcome this? So we have a very powerful method from our ancient Vedic scriptures. This is called mantra meditation. This is a very powerful method in which we should chant some words. Not these are just words, but divine names of the Supreme Almighty, and hear them and just see the effect, what happens on you. And it can be any problem. It may be a problem of, that somebody spoke something to me which hurt me, or something happened to my business, something happened to my family, some disease, or some relationship breakup, or any anxiety you take. This mantra is very powerful if you chant with your heart. So let's start. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So friends, how are you feeling now? Please chant these mantras with me. As you go on chanting, just hear and chant, hear and chant. This chanting and hearing is the solution to all the problems of our life. Please chant with your full heart. Open up and see the magic it brings you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna